What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for a Christmas Station ID dahil Pasko na nga. Oo, ito ay isang request from ALT Christmas Station ID 2024. Naku, naalala ko to. Nag-react din tayo sa ALT before the Christmas Station ID. Ang gaganda ng CSID nila. At talaga namang meaningful ang mga songs at nakakatuwa na meron ding bukod sa ABS-CBN and GMA, meron tayong mga ganitong klaseng Christmas Station ID kasi it's very refreshing at magagaling din talaga sila, promise. At alam ko hindi ako magsisisi to check this out for this year. And this is entitled Himala ng Pasko, official music video for the ALT Christmas Station ID 2024. Nako, thank you so much for requesting din this, guys. And of course, tingnan natin kung tatapat ba to sa GMA this year. Kasi parang yung GMA straightforward sila this year. Oo, hindi sila masyado nagpasabog. So tingnan natin kung pasabog ang ALT this year. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. Go. Ito na, guys. Ay, in fairness, Himala ng Pasko, composed by Senior Aguila. Parang kilala ko yun. Parang naririnig ko yun sa news before. Very ano sila, orchestra vibe. Ay, may bata.
Maraming pagsubok.
Ganda ng vocals, oh.
Na tayo'y sinubok. Mga puso'y nakakulong man sa rehas ng kahapon.
Uy, hold on, guys. Grabe, ang ganda ng vocals ni ate mo, girl. And of course, parang ano, okay, naalala ko na who is Senior Aguila. And they're going back to the memories of their Christmas together. Parang ganun yung dating.
Sa pag-asang ating
male vocal.
Sama-sama nating malalampasan mga lumbay. Lahat ay lilim.
Ganda ng vocals. Nag-goosebumps ako.
Maraming mangluha.
It's saka ang outfit, guys, ah.
Ng kapighatian. Tila nakapusas man sa
Nakapusas sa bangungot na nagdaan. In fairness, promise, the vocals was so good and the message of the song, yung very heartfelt and genuine yung dating.
Sa iwagan niyang tinataglahay, sa isang iglap lang ay
grabe, galing ng singers nila. Plus the outfit, the production, galing. Magaharing muli ang pagmamahalan. Aww.
Magbabalik muli ang dating Pasko.
Magbabalik muli ang dating Pasko.
Ikaw at ako.
Hello, ganda, heartfelt.
Muli ang mga tala na may liwanag na dala galing sa Kanya. Lahat maghihilom sa himala ng Pasko.
Lahat maghihilom sa himala ng Pasko.
Sa himala ng Pasko. Darating din ang himala ng Pasko. Magtiwala lang tayo sa himala ng Pasko.
Ay, may pasno. Hold on, guys. I love the song, no? Very heartfelt and genuine. And that chorus, plus these amazing singers, guys, ang ganda ng boses nila. Very, alam mo yun, Filipino talent. And the outfit, galing, clap, clap, clap. Sobrang galing, ganda. May pasno, wag kayo dahil.
Pinauman sa hamon, tayo ay babangon.
Iba ang production nila. Uy,
At unti-unting magbabalik, ligayin din na
Harmony. Para sila kambal. Ang dami nilang singers din, no?
Sa pagsilang ng kaniyang anak ay kagalan sa
Ba't ako nag-goosebumps? Grabe, ang ganda.
ang himig ng Pasko.
Ooh.
Magbabalik muli ang dating Pasko. Nandito tayo buong buo. Ikaw at ako.
At madaling ma-memorize yung song.
Ininig muli ang mga dala na may liwanag na dala galing sa Kanya.
Ay,
Magbabalik muli mga yakap
rockstar
at
vibe.
ngiti. Salamat sa pag-ibig niya.
Ooh, the harmony and vocal dynamics. Oh, English.
And the spirit of Christmas is always in our hearts, in our hearts.
Oh! Hold on guys, parang yun yung Sarah G nila. Oo, Julian San Jose, ganyan. Grabe, alam mo, in fairness ang ganda ng production and the way that they're executing this. GMA, ABS-CBN, ganito ganito. Charit, ang ganda, in fair.
Dating Pasko, nandito tayo buong buo. Ikaw at ako.
Saka ang daling sundan. Ang ganda ng harmony. Galing ng mga singers.
May liwanag na dala galing sa Kanya. Lahat maghihingo sa himala ng Pasko. Tayo'y kakapon sa himala ng Pasko.
Himala ng Pasko.
Darating din ang himala ng Pasko. Magtiwala lang tayo.
Pati yung camera angles, no? Ganda! Diba? Nakakasabay ka. Tapos pag sinabayan mo, nag-goosebumps ka din. Ay, dumating na si tatay. Ano, nag-goosebumps ako. Ay, yung sinag ng Pasko. Parang last year yon. Ganda, in fairness. Ay, iniwanan lang sa labas ng bahay dahil himala ng Pasko. Wow, in fairness, ALT, pasabog kayo this year. There you have it guys, that is ALT Christmas Station ID 2024, Himala ng Pasko. Naku, nakaka-excite naman kasi ang gaganda ng production this year. And of course, to be honest I just watched GMA Station ID, Christmas Station ID this year. And when it comes to the execution and the production and the way that it was presented, I might say that ALT did a great job compared to GMA this year. Nothing against GMA because alam naman natin na taon-taon ipasabog din ng GMA. But seeing this, the way that they created it, grabe, very heartfelt and genuine. So although GMA showcased like a raw Christmas party vibe, kind of Christmas Station ID and full of pasasalamat, ito naman is full of hope. 'Di ba? Na merong himala ang Pasko na magbabalik yung mga dating how they celebrated Christmas together. So kanya-kanyang message, kanya-kanyang execution, but iisang goal is to celebrate ang Paskong Pinoy, 'di ba? With your kapamilya or sino mang malalapit sa inyong puso na nami-miss nyo during Christmas. So, good job ALT, ang ganda, nakakatuwa. And thank you so much for requesting this. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.